Okay, I am doing the Somerset top with no binding. I add about 2 inches to my straps, and then I add about a half an inch to the piece that goes on the front and the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect the pieces to the front and the back with my serger. And now I'm gonna sew these together. So now for the straps, I'm gonna go ahead and just serge them each together. I will use this gap length. I'll just grab my ruler and some clips. And this is 2T, so it's 3.5 inches. So I will just fold it in half. And this definitely isn't perfect every time, but if you can see, I'll kind of just measure. So I'll throw a clip at the start and then about 3.5 inches. I'm gonna take my top, starting with the seam on the strap, and I will just line it up with the seam on the tank top. And we'll go ahead and get that started. I'll kind of give it a stitch or two just to hold it down, and then I'll measure, and then I will pull everything out. So I'll just find that first clip, and I will line it up with the band there. And then so I'm actually gonna clip this piece down so I can make sure the seam goes under. Lays nice. Okay. And then I will grab the clip again, pulling the other side up. I'll go ahead and clip that in. And just continue pulling it around. Just tie that off. So now we've got one, we're gonna go ahead and do the other. So from here, all I'll do is I will go around and top stitch the seam right here, including on the strap, so it will be top stitched down. I am going to start kind of around the armpit. So here is what the inside looks like. And then the outside, you have your strap. This is what it will look like using bands instead of the binding. Let me know if you have any questions, but that's how you do it. I'm sure you can kind of top stitch here if you wanted. I don't, but that is that.